X. Ode to a mockingbird, to a chickadee. The birds are squawking, flighting about, binding the wind up into overcast or inside their wings, and a plastic bag floats under a bush, and we wonder, what bird is that? Why are the birds fighting? Where is the singing? What is this squawking? Car alarm, car alarm, car alarm, they're taking my car, man! Starling shit on my car, and there are sparrow heads in the fish crow nest! And all the songs that have been sung before are left behind in a mile of concrete, and all that can be done is to bite through bone and squawk and survive. Bide, vibe, bye, bye, birdie.